Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. New to Zoho CRM and not sure where to start? In this video, I will walk you through how to use Zoho CRM to manage leads, track sales, and automate follow-ups, perfect for entrepreneurs, sales teams, and growing businesses. Zoho CRM is a customer relationship management tool that helps you track leads, manage contacts, and close more deals. It's cloud-based, highly customizable, and comes with built-in automation reports and mobile access. Now, start by going to joho.crm, joho.com/crm, and sign up for a free account. Just click on Access Zoho CRM button, enter your company name, enter your phone number, and click Get Started. You can invite your team members, then click Continue, connect to your email account, click Configure Email, and click Get Started. Once inside, modules at the top. Leads, contacts, deals, tasks, and more. And connect your email address, then click Continue. Now go back to Home, Modules section, then left sidebar, Filter, re, filters, recent records, and quick actions. Top bar, Notification settings, etc. Now add a new lead. Click on Leads in the top menu. Then hit Create Lead button. Then fill in details like name, company name, email, phone number, and lead source. and click Save. Once the lead is qualified, you can convert into a contact and deal with a single click. Zoho CRM has a visual sales pipeline to track deals from start to close. Click on Deals section from the left sidebar. You will see stages like prospecting, qualified, proposal, and closed. Drag and drop deals through each stage as you make process. Each deal record includes contact information, notes, tasks, and activity history. Never miss a follow up again. You can add tasks like call back to Monday, set reminders and due dates, create workflow rules to automate emails or tasks creation when a lead is added. Joe CRM lets you send and track emails right from inside the platform. Go to a contact or lead, click send email. From the upper right, choose a template or write from scratch. Track opens and clicks in real time. You can even connect your Gmail or Outlook to sync everything automatically. Now let's talk analytics. Zoho CRM comes with built-in reports to help you see sales performance, lead conversion rates, monthly revenue. Just go to Report tab from the left sidebar or Dashboard to get a visual summary of how your business is performing. Some bonus tools you should explore. Choose your mobile app, manage your leads on the go. Integrations, connect with tools like MailChimp, Slack, Google Calendar, customization, change module names, layout, or add custom fields. And your that's your crash course on using Zoho CRM for beginners. If this helped you get started, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below with your questions. I respond to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.